white moolah.
Here on a day-to-day.
That's real white moolah right there.
Service creative agency.
That's real white moolah.
Printing, doing graphic and web design, and then we got into the Jeezy market. We got one of the pre-jet machines, and that really just opened things up for us. So like you said, now we're doing printing for Stuart Official, for a bunch of other different clothing brands, for models.
Real white moolah.
Here on a day-to-day.
That's real white moolah right there.
Service creative agency.
That's real white moolah.
Printing, doing graphic and web design, and then we got into the Jeezy market. We got one of the pre-jet machines, and that really just opened things up for us. So like you said, now we're doing printing for Stuart Official, for a bunch of other different clothing brands, for models. We do
Real white moolah.
Here on a day-to-day.
That's real white moolah right there.
Service creative agency.
That's real white moolah.
Printing, doing graphic and web design, and then we got into the Jeezy market. We got one of the pre-jet machines, and that really just opened things up for us. So like you said, now we're doing printing for Stuart Official, for a bunch of other different clothing brands, for models. We do
Real white moolah.
Here on a day-to-day.
That's real white moolah right there.
Service creative agency.
That's real white moolah.
Printing, doing graphic and web design, and then we got into the Jeezy market. We got one of the pre-jet machines, and that really just opened things up for us. So like you said, now we're doing printing for Stuart Official, for a bunch of other different clothing brands, for models. We do